Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about a very easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is smallest index with equal value. So what the problem states that you are given a zero indexed integer array, as you can see here, and you have to return the smallest index I of nums such that I mod 10 is equal to n of I. Okay, so what you can see is that you just find out that for any position, if I take that particular index modulo 10, it is exactly equal to the value that is stored there. Okay, you just have to find out the first index that actually agrees this particular statement. If there is any, you can say, uh, number that satisfies this statement, you just return out that particular index. If it is not, print out -1. Pretty much simple. So there is nothing much difficult here, as in we just have to do a for loop over this whole array, and you just have to check out that whether this condition is satisfied, and if it is satisfied, you just have to return the first index which satisfies this given condition. Condition is that take the index I, mod it to 10. If it is equal to the ith number that is stored there, that is n of I, then return the index that actually, you can say, contributes or actually tells that this is a correct statement. So return that particular index I. Else, if you do not hit this particular condition, return -1. That's it. Nothing as difficult or as you can say problematic in this particular problem. The overall thing is that the overall complexity for this particular problem is O of n only, because you're doing a for loop for this complete array. That's it. That's all logic and the code part for this particular problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention on in the comment box of this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Till coding, and bye.